Hey guys, it's me Marwa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make DIY stickers using household items. This tutorial is super easy and hopefully it's easy for you guys to follow at home. I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos along the way. And without further ado, let's just get on into the video. The first step to creating your DIY stickers is to find the images you want for your stickers and put them on a Google document. So as you can see here, I made a new Google document named DIY stickers, and then I went to Google and I put Redbubble stickers in the search bar, and all of these beautiful stickers popped up. So basically all I did was I copied and pasted the stickers I wanted into the Google Docs. The second step to creating your stickers is you're going to print out your Google Docs. After your Google Docs is printed, you're going to cut all the stickers out individually. Once all your stickers have been cut out, you're going to set those aside and grab a piece of parchment paper and put tape on it. Here I added a small piece of tape because one of the stickers were a little bit big. Next, lay out as many stickers as you can on the tape. Once your stickers have been placed on the tape, you're going to take another piece of tape and place that over your stickers. Once again, here I am placing another small piece of tape because the sticker was a little bit bigger. After covering your stickers with tape, you're going to take scissors and cut out your stickers. When you cut out your stickers, make sure not to cut out on the line directly because it won't work. You need to cut out a little bit of space around it. Once you have cut all of your stickers out from that piece of tape, if you have any other stickers that did not fit on that piece of tape, you can repeat the whole process over again with the other stickers. And there you go, you have your very own DIY stickers. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. This tutorial was really easy to make and I hope it's easy for you guys to follow. If you followed this tutorial and you made your own If you followed this tutorial and you made your very own stickers, please comment down below and let me know how it went. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.